If you're a programmer or learning to be one, there's a big chance you're going to end up using a framework or a library at some point. So in this video, let's understand what they actually are, what the difference is, and why it matters with real examples. So let's start with a library. A library in programming is kind of like a video editing tool. For example, CapCut. When you edit a video, you don't create the effects, captions, or transitions from scratch, right? They're already there in CapCut, made and maintained by other people. You just learn how to use them, combine them, and make your video. That's the same idea with a library in programming. It's a bunch of code written by other developers to make your life easier. You just import it, use it, and it helps you do things faster, like handling animations, making API calls, or formatting dates. You control when and how you use it. Now, a framework is a little different. Let's go back to the CapCut example. If a library is like using CapCut, then a framework is like following a complete video production system where someone already planned out how you shoot, edit, and export the video. You don't get to decide how everything connects. It's already structured for you. They tell you, hey, your clips go here, your captions go there, and your transitions follow this rule. You just follow that system, add your content, and the framework takes care of the rest. That's what a framework does in coding. It gives you the full structure, how files connect, how data flows, how routes and pages are handled. You just fill in your parts, and the framework handles the rest behind the scenes. For example, in Next.js, a JavaScript framework, you don't create routing from scratch. It automatically turns your files into pages. In Django, a Python framework, it already gives you authentication, databases, and admin tools ready to go. So instead of you controlling everything, the framework controls the flow. It calls your code when it needs it. So the main difference is control. With a library, you control when to use it. With a framework, it controls when to use your code. That's why people say frameworks have inversion of control, meaning you follow its rules instead of creating everything yourself. Let's look at some examples and where each one shines. Libraries. Axios used to make API calls easily. Libraries are best when you want freedom. You choose what you need, and you can mix and match tools however you like. Perfect for small projects or when you want to keep full control of your